Hi, welcome to another video about Agir. My name is João and I will introduce you a new functionality of our software and explain it to you. What about this new function? We call it linked actions. It lets you associate an action to multiple workflows or processes as a task that can be executed or adopted in more than one process. How do we do this? It's simple. We go to Tasks, click on Add Task Link. Search for the task you want to link, and done. Your linked task will appear with the others with this icon and colored border to the right. You can unlink the task whenever you want by clicking on this icon. Hope you enjoyed this new function. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and comment down below to let us know what you think. Thanks for watching. See you next time.